remains of the Starship rocket. Yeah, there's like stuff coming off of it. Yes. Like you can see like little fire. You can see little balls of fire in the sky. What the hell?
Oh, wow.
What?
Boom, 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 boom. They exploded it.
That's incredible. Is that coming towards us?
Yeah.
Oh shit. What the fuck? Holy shit.
Videoing.
Holy shit. That shit's coming right towards us.
No kidding.
Oh fuck. Get the life raft ready. I'm gonna get the sat phone. Let's get our life jackets on. Didn't get burned up. Get your life jacket on though.